It's the moon. Yes. But this phone doesn't want to focus on my skies today. I'm not sure why. I guess I've noticed that happening to a lot of people. Our cameras are not focusing. So this is my third video, still facing west. Not an aeroplane to be seen in my sky. And yet I do have, what looks like chemtrails. I know I said that in my last two videos. I just find that weird that, usually I see the big jet and, shit coming out of his ass. Excuse my language, but that's what I say. And this morning I've seen nothing. Nothing flying. And this particular guy is starting to expand. I see my camera will not focus. But from my first and second video, again, it's starting to expand, starting to grow. I put the phone on for this particular chemtrail. Let me do my infamous point. So that guy right there. Because, again, no airplane. And if you notice, it kind of goes like up here. I can't even do my pointing. Yeah, because my phone doesn't want to focus. I find that very odd. So, I would imagine that there are some of you out there who have also seen this happen. Chemtrails with no planes. I would ask that if you have seen this, could you just leave a comment? Tell me what you think. So I want to get back to the east. That's northeast. This is like where the sun rises here, which again is still pretty north. And we're back to the big/little ball in the sky. I don't know, I think it's very humid. Having a hard time breathing today. Other than that, it's, really nice. Blue skies. Birdies chirping away. But then the west just looks a little suspicious to me. Suspicious. It does. It absolutely looks suspicious. This right there. Okay, so anyway, this is my third video. I don't think I'll record any more of this particular chemtrail, whatever it is. Chemtrails/clouds appearing out of thin air. I just don't even know. Alrighty, let's leave you right here. Thank you.